Welcome to the sights and sounds of Mzansi, a tourism and travel segment of the Enterprising Conversing channel. By the way, we specialize on enterprise development and training, yet we recognize that travel and tourism is one of the mainstays of the South African economy. Now, I'm coming to you from Times Square in Pretoria, not so far from Man Lane area. This is one of the main attractions in Pretoria. So I just want to try and move around so you can get a better appreciation of what I'm talking about. And I'm going to try and move around to give you a better view. The Times Square the main lanes, Central Square and Times Square are situated on the eastern side of Pretoria. So this is where I'm coming from. This is where I am at the moment. As I turn around, there's this iconic view of the casino area, signed Times Square. Behind me, that built office, that big building is the office. That is an office block. You've got companies such as me Group and the Nedbank Group in that area. I'm just, Times Square is just less than even 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on how fast you can walk. So this is the area. South African tourism resort. It doesn't have to be Sandton, it doesn't have to be Durban, it doesn't have to be Cape Town all the time. Yes, you can come and explore what Pretoria has to offer. Subscribe to the Enterprising Conversing channel to see sights and sounds like this one. Enjoy your day.